We're on a project, a new project, off of Josephine Street. We're building to this manhole out to Josephine and crossing it. There's the drill down there. We're gonna drill right through into this manhole. Right now, we're airing out the manhole so we can look down there and figure out where we're actually entering the manhole. I believe it's gonna be like right here or on this side of the fence. This accesses the building so that they can have their fiber optics pulled into their comm room. And we're just gonna wait a few minutes, let it air out, and then check and make some calculations and drill it. I believe we're gonna try to come through somewhere right here. Hey Nat, do you have a shovel or something?
Thanks, man.
And you can't see them very well on the camera, but there's a lot of cowboys that are playing out here. Oh, gross. Look at all the cowboys. See that? I just cleared all those.
You're less traffic.
We're gonna drill from this point all the way to the manhole that's over there by the rill. While they're doing that, me and Nan are gonna pothole the next shot. Well, hey, tell him to stop for a sec. All right, go ahead. Hey, whoa! Turn his water off. We're through. Tell him to go ahead. Fast rotation, slow forward. Whoa. Pull it back a little bit. Pull it back a little. Okay, stop. Push it forward just a little bit. A little more. Okay, that's good. Perfect. I'm gonna drop this cable down, and then we're gonna feed our cable right through there. See that? So this is our head. We got our swivel hooked on right here, and now we just gotta put it down in the hole. Tighten it a little bit. Alrighty, we got it all hooked on. Look at this. Going to the side of the wall, all the way up to our rail up above. And just make sure it gets pulled straight back into that hole. Alright, Wes, have him pull straight back without his water. Good. Alright, you can turn his water on. And he can spin it back. Probably can go good. good job. Yesterday, we drilled from where the drill is, facing the other way, to the building. Over here. Right into the vault. Today, we're drilling from there across. He's shooting under this road through these potholes and hooking on our pipe right here, jerking it back. Yep, we can hook onto that. That's good. Perfect, look at that. Happy day. Nice. Here's our conduits that we've installed. Isn't that nice? So we actually have to pull fiber through here, drilled right through the wall, and then he patched it so it wouldn't leak. There we go. Just hang it on one of the racks down there if you can, and take a picture for me. So, we're done as far as we can be today. We'll be back Thursday probably to pull into this building because they won't let us in until Thursday for some reason. Adios.